For those who have lost just a single tooth, a dental implant is the best choice because its fabrication does not affect adjacent teeth. If an implant isn't used, then the teeth on each side of the missing tooth are prepared as anchors to support the replacement tooth. When missing 2 or 3 teeth, implants provide an anchor to attach a fixed bridge. Otherwise, a removable appliance like a partial denture has to be used, something less acceptable to many people. Dental implants can also be used when all of the upper or lower teeth must be replaced. In these cases, a full denture fits on top of the implant, which makes a secure fit. Chewing is much easier with implants than with dentures. An implant consists of 3 parts: an anchor, an abutment which acts as a stabilizer, and an artificial tooth or appliance. The first step in placing an implant is to surgically insert a titanium metal anchor into the bone underneath the gum tissue. Healing takes approximately 3 to 6 months, after which a small stabilizer is attached to this implant anchor. A few weeks later, a custom-made crown, bridge, or denture is added, completing the implant. The gum tissue around a dental implant needs more care than the gum tissue around a natural tooth. Using a Sonicare toothbrush is an excellent way to help keep this gum tissue healthy, giving the implant a much greater chance of success. In fact, the Sonicare toothbrush has been clinically proven to be more effective at reducing plaque and improving gum health around implants than a manual toothbrush.